Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be playing with the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy Round 2 palette. This is such a gorgeous palette. This is like literally one of my fall favorites this season. I think this palette retails for somewhere around $55, which is is up there, but you do get these very pretty like block party-esque shadows, so I think it's definitely worth the money. And with that, let's get into this video. Alright, so let's get this thing crack-a-lacking. First, I'm gonna go in with this shade Basic right here, and I'm gonna set the concealer underneath my brow, give it a nice highlighted look. Okay, next, taking this Morphée M441 brush, I'm going into the shade Necessary. I was about to say Cheens. It's Necessary, which is right here, and I'm just going to put that all in my transition zone. Next, taking this e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going into the shade Cheens, which is right here. I'm just going to put that in my crease and on the inner and outer parts of my eye. Now taking my Morphée M507, I'm going into the shade, wait, that wasn't Cheens, that was Churro. Wait. Yeah, so that shade, sorry guys, that shade was Churro. Now I'm going into Cheens, and I'm placing that in the same places that I put Churro. So now with that e.l.f. crease brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Now this is where it gets kind of messy and things didn't go as planned, because I wanted to do a halo eye with this deeper shade on the outside and this in the middle, but once they were on the lid, you couldn't really tell. I mean, you can tell there's a difference between the shades, but they're so close together it doesn't really pop. But we're just gonna keep working with it. So I'm just gonna cut the crease with this Born This Way concealer, and I'll be back. Okay, so that crease is cut to the best of my abilities right now. Trying to get them as even as possible, but we know here on my channel that almost never happens. So honestly guys, what I probably should have done is just took this royal blue shade and put it in the middle, and that's it, and kept the brown on the ends. But since I didn't do that, I'm gonna have to make this eye look like this eye. So what that means for us is I'm going in with this shade right here and a flat brush, which is gonna be my Morphée M124 brush, and I'm gonna put the deeper shade on the outer and inner corner. With the opposite side of the brush, I'm going in with that royal blue shade, and I'm going to focus it in the center. I'm just going to blend out to the top now. Okay, next, going back in with the shade Cheens. I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly brush, the ones that come with her palettes, and I'm dipping into Cheens, and I'm going to put it on the corners of my lower lash line. Now with that M507 brush, I'm just going to blend that out. In the middle, I'm going to put that royal blue shade right here. Now going in with my 24/7 Glide On Pencil by Urban Decay in the shade Perversion. I'm just going to add a little liner up on the upper lash and put on these Ardell Faux Minks in the style 812, and I will be back. Alright guys, so here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today to another 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palettes here with me on my channel. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, which of course will be every day in the month of December. Leave me some comments and like this video if you think this look is cute. And with that, I will see you guys next video.